Francois Hollande, Mr. Biden called for an African-led force that would later be transferred to the United Nations. Doctors in Birmingham treating the Pakistani girl shot in the head by the Taliban say her health is improving after a hole in her skull was closed yesterday. Malala Yousafzai says she's been given a second life and use it to continue campaigning for girls' education. Scientists have confirmed that a battle-scarred skeleton found under a car park in Leicester belongs to Richard III. King was killed at the Battle of Bosworth in 1485, but his remains went missing during the dissolution of the monasteries. Michael Ibsen is a direct descendant of Anne of York, Richard III's sister, and it's his DNA that's helped identify the remains. He gave his reaction.
It's absolutely thrilling. To be involved in the project at all was fascinating, and to be here at the conclusion and having discovered that we do indeed have Richard III is extraordinary.
And the weather, snow, rain and strong winds will affect many parts of Northern Ireland, Scotland